Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza and welcome to my channel, Sophie Stained Glass, a channel dedicated to building up a community of people enthused by architectural stained glass. Share your ideas, your tips and tricks, ask me questions, tell me how you do something, and I will share it. Today I'm going to show you how I turned my upstairs hall from a tomb into this. So a couple of weeks ago I showed you how I repaired this panel. This is one of a pair that I made to put into my house about 5 years ago. Oops, is there a procrastinator somewhere? Anyway, today I'm actually going to put them into the bathroom door, thus letting the light through. So let's make a start. This is a bit of a weird door. Obviously this house is older than the days when they built houses with bathrooms, so it's been taken off one of the rooms and they've put a really narrow door on, and this is actually a cupboard door. My neighbour gave me this when she renovated and it came from her understairs cupboard, but it was just the right size and it was a lot better than the hardboard door that was on here that would have been put on in the 60s when the bathroom was put in. So it's a very rudimentary plain door. It's got no beading, so I'm going to have to put beading in. But the first thing I have to do is take these panels out with a jigsaw. I'm pre-drilling for the pins. If you try and, they have to go in at a certain angle, and this is curved, it's a quadrant and it's curved, so it would skate. So you start straight and then you angle it. And the way I do it is I start like this and then I move the wood. And I have marked the wood with little lines because you can get a bit confused when it's not in situ. Not all the way home yet, but that will just keep it in place, because otherwise I probably wouldn't, while I was working, be able to keep it in place. Now I know this is the right side for both, I'm just going to go ahead and cut some more. So I know this one's quite a good fit, so I am using it as a template for the next one. So the first thing I do is cut one end, making sure the mitre is going in the right direction. Then I put them back to back, so I can mark up the other end, so you can see me mark it up. Then I offer it up to the door and check it's a good fit. And then I cut another one. Right. So get the first mitre going the right way. Mark up the next one from back to back. Where did it go? Where did it go? And we'll offer this one up. See how we're going. I've got these great big voids here, so if I try and fit my panel, it's just going to go down the hole. So this came out of the door, and I'm going to put it back in the door. I have no idea if I've cut it to the right size. Let's give it a go. Maybe, let's see, I've got a small hammer. Be that right? Of course, I've got a stupid bit at the end. Off you go. Go on, go away. That seems about okay. Yeah, that seems okay. Okay. Right, pull those bits out of it. Just put a few dabs of this clear sealant glue on so that it doesn't rattle about in the door. Because the texture on this glass is so uneven and in some places quite chubby, I'm not getting, and I knew I wouldn't get, a nice close sort of fit on my beading on the back of the door. This side of the door is the side that is seen least, simply because we keep the door open all the time unless someone's having a shower, which may change. Now we've got this because, let's see, what's this? No. I marked them up after I fitted them just to make sure I get them back in the right direction. So this is left, left. Top. And if you are wondering, This is unseasoned, this stuff, I've only just bought it. The other stuff was in my garage. Isn't that an improvement? In terms of light coming through, we're happy with that. It was definitely worth doing. And okay, maybe it was 5 years too late, but it's done now. Now, if I just go up close to these windows, the camera will adjust and you'll be able to see them in all their glory. There we are, 2 fused panels. Let's just open the bathroom door so you can see how they relate to the inside. We have a little bit of artwork here, which they go nicely with. We have a light box up there, we have the stained glass, and I think you'll agree that they look jolly nice and have improved the situation in our hall beyond measure. So thank you for watching today. I hope you've seen the processes involved in removing wood from a door and replacing it with glass panels, whatever design or method of glass panel making you might be using. So check out the other videos, maybe have a look at the videos where I repaired these if you're interested in fused glass, and please like, comment and subscribe.